Hello, I am Dr. Rahul Wagh. I am a consultant oncosurgeon at Noble Hospital. Today we are going to speak about an important topic, that is colon cancer. Colorectal cancers, they are generally asymptomatic in initial stages. Eventually, patients may present with altered bowel habits because of the obstruction caused by the tumor. Eventually, they might present with blood in stool or mucus in stool. They might present with fatigue or unexplained weight loss or blood in stool or mucus in stool. Generally, people with the family history of colorectal cancers in first degree relatives, they are at an increased risk of these cancers. Along with that, people who have associated disease like inflammatory bowel diseases, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, they are at a very high risk of developing these cancers. Lifestyle related risk factors for colon cancer are low fiber and high fat diet, increased red meat consumption, then alcohol, smoking, and obesity. Yes, definitely colon cancers can be prevented and they can be diagnosed at an earlier stage. You should, because these cancers, they generally develop over a period of time, you can say around 10 years. So the peak age for development of these cancers is 60 years, and you should start the screening for these cancers by the age of 50 years. And colonoscopy is the investigation which we routinely use for the screening of these cancers. Average risk patients, colonoscopy started at the age of 50 years, and those with higher risk for colon cancer, like those who are having a first degree relatives in family, screening should be started at the age of 40 years and it should be repeated every 5 years. Colorectal cancers, if they are diagnosed at an earlier stage, surgery is generally the treatment of choice. And surgery we do in these cancers is to remove the cancer along with the adjoining lymph nodes, right? And if cancer is early stage, then there is no need for chemotherapy in these patients. But if the cancer is beyond certain stage, then you might need a 6 months of adjuvant chemotherapy. And in rectal cancers, treatment is usually chemotherapy and radiation therapy is given first, and then eventually patient is operated for the residual disease. Surgeries for colorectal cancers, they can be performed in a minimally invasive way using either laparoscopy assisted surgery or using robot assisted surgery. Advantage with this minimally invasive technique is first is decreased blood loss, then smaller incisions, reduced pain, and earlier post-operative recovery, so that patients generally can be discharged after 4 or 5 days of hospitalization. Yes, generally in early stages, that is in stage 1 and 2, 5-year survival rate for colorectal cancer is almost 91 to 92%. In beyond stage 2, that is in stage 3 and stage 4, survival rate decreases. In stage 3 it is 72%, and in stage 4 it is less than 20%. So earlier detection is the key in these cancers.